Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I'm so excited. I'm here with Symonne. I'm really so happy because I haven't filmed a Closet Raid episode in a really long time, and then I asked Symonne to do one with me. I've been styling her for the past couple months.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like I've known you for
literally
ever.
years.
It's so crazy. So here we are. We're gonna get into her closet.
I'm so excited.
Okay,
let's go.
How would you describe your style? What is your vibe? What are you about?
I feel like my style is definitely all over the place. I definitely, over the past year, and since Jazmin has been styling me, definitely got a lot more girly. I used to just wear jeans or whatever, but now every day I always wear a skirt and a cute top. I love
more
flannels.
put together.
Yeah, I love flannels and jackets. That's my new favorite thing.
Okay, you guys, this is a life hack. If you're having a bad week, bad day, put yourself together, put something nice on. Don't just stay in your sweats or your yoga pants, because once you get ready, you feel better.
Yeah, even if you're just sitting at home.
What is one item in your closet that is so you? Just very Symonne, what piece would you say with that?
If I was just gonna reach for something to put on right now, it'd be this.
This is so cute. Okay.
I feel like this is definitely me.
Let's show them.
Take it off.
Okay, I'll hold the little shorts.
So this is the little outfit. I actually posted on Instagram in it.
Insert photo.
It's so me.
It's so you.
It just fits me perfectly, and it makes me feel cute, and it's also casual and comfy, but it's also really cute.
If there's something in your closet that you feel you would need to get rid of, what would it be?
I would definitely say this bag.
Wait, I was looking at this and I'm this is kind of cute.
It's cute to have on the shelf, but I would never wear that now.
She's a little young.
You know what? At this moment, we should just throw it out right now.
Bye. Do you have anything in your closet that maybe was gifted to you that was really sentimental, a special gift?
These are so dirty. I probably should have cleaned them, but they're my Dior's.
Yes, the high tops, so cute.
I love these for two reasons. First of all, I just have always seen them, and all the way back in June, right before Nick and I went to Cabo, we actually went to the store and we just had a rodeo day, and we wanted to surprise each other with gifts. And so this is what he surprised me with, and we both literally all week have been wanting the shoes. So I went to the store at the different time, and we both got each other the same thing.
That's so perfect.
And it was in a TikTok. It was really funny, but I would say definitely these, because this is the first thing Nick and I had matching, and now they're so iconic. Everyone knows us because of our matching Dior's.
And they're in your music video.
Yes, they are in my music video.
Go
they're
watch
in
it.
the lyrics of the song.
Yeah. What's the most bougie thing you have in your closet?
I would say this.
I would
it's
agree.
My Dior bag. I just got it for Christmas, and I've yet to wear it because I'm waiting. Every time I get a new bag, I always wait for the perfect moment to break it out. But I got it for Christmas. It's my first Dior bag.
She's
so
beautiful.
It's literally
gorgeous.
I love it so
love
much.
it.
So I would say definitely this is the most bougie. It's just over the top and extra.
A little bit, but in the
Just
best way.
Yeah, of course. It has to be. It's Dior.
This just stands out to me because I think it's so fun. Okay, this is so cute. Tell me about this little piece.
It's literally from Forever 21.
Love it.
No joke.
We love a bargain.
I got it in the summer as a cover up. But I actually have this top that I put with it.
I love a butterfly print.
I put this top with it, and I just think it's really cute as a casual lunch outfit.
I would style this with a big crew neck, a sweater, and then just have it peeking through. Kind of cute. What would you wear if Nick called you and was Symonne, get dressed, I'm taking you to the nicest spot, we're going to the trendiest rooftop restaurant, what would you put on?
This is my favorite thing I've ever worn.
This is gorgeous. This looked perfect on you.
Thank you.
We're going
It's
to
from
insert a photo.
Jazmin.
Yes.
So if this is my last thing I have from her, I would be very happy because...
Tell me the story about this dress.
I literally wore this on New Year's Eve, and I was in Vegas. When I put it on, I just felt like a fairy. I love it. Even down at the bottom, it has the matching flowers with this, and I honestly love this dress.
So
I got so many compliments, and I was thank you. It's all Jazmin.
What is your favorite go-to hoodie? For me, I wear the same. I have 10 million hoodies, but I always grab the same couple ones.
Me too.
Which one is your go-to?
So love.
Oh,
Stick merch. I have to. I wear it all the time.
Is the merch still available?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so you guys, I'll link that down below.
The crew neck is my favorite.
Where are your favorite places to shop in LA.
This all, what I'm wearing, is from Windsor. I love Windsor. Like, some people have like mixed opinions, but I just find their like casual clothes cute. I love I Am Coco. It's like kind of random. This whole section is I Am Coco.
What's your favorite I Am Coco top? Yeah, that one's cute. I feel like this is so adorable.
I love it. Not for clothes, but obviously like bags and shoes. I love Rodeo.
Well, what's your favorite Dressy shoe?
I have to grab these. I just got them recently in December. They're my Gucci boots. I've only worn them today. I put them on, but I put them back on the rack for the video.
They're gorgeous.
This is my third time wearing them. But I got them in December. I actually got it for a mistletoe music video because we need like something like snowy and that kind of stuff. And I think they literally go perfect. I love the bottoms.
They
have
so
like
cool.
a little snake.
I like how chunky they are.
Yeah, and they make me really tall.
Who makes your favorite pair of jeans? Look at all these jeans.
Okay, these are all my baggy jeans, and then in the back of my closet I have all my skinny jeans.
Okay.
I would say American Eagle, definitely. These are my favorite right
Shout out to
now.
American Eagle. I'm wearing you guys today too. This is so cute.
I've never worn them.
I was
for,
gonna
like, 2
ask you,
years.
do you have anything you haven't worn? And this has a tag on it.
It's from Tilly's. I do find a lot of things from Tilly's actually.
I love this. This is cute for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day post.
I have a photo shoot on Tuesday, so I think we might.
I would even style this together underneath. I don't know
Yeah.
if that's like too young. Something is staring at me dead in the eye, and it is this wedding dress moment that we need to discuss. I feel like we
I
can't.
feel like now's the appropriate time to like switch my.
This is the iconic wedding dress
Yeah, here she
from
is.
your marriage.
Yes. Guys, if you're watching, it's a prank, don't worry. But we pranked the internet for over a week that me and my boyfriend got engaged and married in the same day.
That was
in Vegas.
nuts.
It literally is perfect. Like, it fit me perfectly and I love it.
Okay, so I just, out of the corner of my eye, see this gleaming crown right here. This is kind of iconic. Tell me, what is she doing in your closet?
So I actually used to do all natural pageants when I was little. I think I was like 10-ish around the time. And I was Miss Preteen Ohio.
That's really fun. Did you love it?
Yeah, I loved it. I traveled to like Florida and that kind of stuff. It was so much fun, but it was like all natural, so there was no like crazy glam. Like
Yeah.
I barely was wearing makeup, which is the only reason why I did it.
I love that. This
Yeah.
is so pretty. And then I can't even, every
It's
time
my
I come over, I'm
favorite.
like, this is the cutest bag. So
Thank
tell me
you.
about the story behind this.
So Nick actually surprised me with this again. In our official video, we went to like the opening night of it, and they transformed the Gucci store into a whole disco ball, and we got like an invite from them. So we like went there, and I just like loved this bag, but something happened where we like didn't get it, or like we just like held off on it. But like
Yeah.
I literally had my eyes on this for so long, and I was really sad. But then like a week later, Nick surprised me with it in our official video.
That's
and
so sweet.
I was so
There's a
happy
little
and excited.
heart on the
I
back.
love that.
I don't know if you guys can see.
And if you guys like, I didn't even say the name, but it's a Gucci Balenciaga crossover. So it's called the Hacker Collection. And they took like Gucci bags and put Balenciaga on it, then took Balenciaga bags and put Gucci, and it was like
Such a-
cross collaboration. And it was literally so iconic.
The pieces were so good. But now we made it to the side of your closet with all the coats and the jackets, and they're
Yes.
kind of so much fun. Show me your favorite one.
Because it's like cute from the front, right? This is my favorite on the back.
It's so fun.
I've
Kind of-
only worn it once. I
this
need to
with
wear
like
it
blue
more.
jeans is like so kind of classic, iconic little rock star
I
moment.
love this. I don't know why. I just like am obsessed. But I just got this for Christmas, which I wore in Vegas, and it's like now my go-to everything.
This is my favorite, you guys. Like when I saw it, I'm like, so,
It's so
soft.
soft.
I love it. I love it so much. What is your go-to jean jacket?
This.
I love
It has like the pearls, and it's oversized, so like it's like casual, but always like makes an outfit way cuter.
I feel like I would even put it on with what
Right.
you're wearing.
Like if I was going out to dinner, I would wear the jean jacket.
So cute. Like I see all the flannels, so tell me.
I really like this one. I love green. I don't really wear it that often though, but it's more like olive green. That's why I have like so many of these. Is because I have hazel eyes, so it always brings out like the green
Yeah,
in my eyes.
Same.
So I love this. It's just kind of like cute.
This one's really cute.
It's from American Eagle.
I love this one.
I just like love flannels. I'll wear them like all the time if I could.
You travel a lot for work.
Yes.
You're a little bit of a jet setter. What is your go-to airport look?
There are these pants, and then there's like writing on the other side. It says Always a Lady, and these are from I Am Coco and Addison Rae collab.
So cute.
I love them. I don't know why. I feel like they just like go with everything. I usually wear like an olive top with it, so, like even like that jacket with it.
I love olive green.
But I just wore this to the airport the other day.
So cute.
Yeah,
Comfy.
I just feel like comfy.
Okay. We are now in your corner of swim.
I have way too many swimsuits, and I have 39.
I love that she knows.
I counted. This is my favorite. So this is the top. And
It
then-
has like a really pretty like sparkly sheen.
I don't
like,
know if you guys
underneath.
can see.
It's really pretty. And I like the gold accents.
I love this. It's like super cute.
So
And it's like
cute.
perfect for tanning because I can take this off. I also
like
love
nice.
this one. It's blue velvet and it just looks so pretty with the ocean water.
This is so cute. I love
I also
that.
love that.
I love this little lavender.
I almost just
love
threw
the,
that away.
I love the color.
Yeah. Oh
But
my god, my
it-
nails!
It looks so good. There's so many things in your closet that look cute with your nails.
Thank you.
Okay.
I've had this forever. This isn't a hat, but it's a headband.
It's so gorgeous. Wait, this is so
I've never
sweet.
even like wore it before.
Should I try her on?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Do we love it?
Love.
Kind of fun.
This is from Mistletoe music video.
We use that.
I had this like a long time ago. I got it for Christmas, but that was the first time I wore it. These. I just got them while I was in Vegas over the New Year. They're Burberry.
I love these, you guys. These are so good.
Is it giving like hot mom?
It's giving hot mom, but it's also giving Bella Hadid supermodel energy. It's giving runway New York City. It's giving you need to start driving now because you have these. Usually for this portion where we just hang out and chat, I bring like snacks, but we have dinner plans, so
Yeah.
we're not going to spoil our appetites. But I still have fun questions to ask you. Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla. I hate chocolate.
Heels or flats?
Flats.
Grilled chicken or fried chicken?
Fried chicken.
Okay, designer or thrifted?
Definitely designer.
Chips or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Bikini or one piece?
Bikini.
Gold or silver?
Gold.
Speaking of, actually, I brought you.
Oh my god,
I brought you a surprise. These are the little Dolce hoops, but because you have your thirds, she got her ear pierced.
Yeah, I got my thirds.
You can do like you can layer them, and they're like your favorite hoops.
So these should be on my third.
I mean, yeah, like you can do something in between that's different.
And look, I would take it out, but I just got these last week, so I can't.
I have like all these new pieces from April J.
I
that are
told her I
coming
was
out.
staring at
I
that
need to
all
bring
day.
you them.
Yeah.
Okay, so IG or Snapchat?
That one's really hard. I'm gonna say Snapchat.
Texting or talking on the phone?
Depends on the person, but probably talking on the phone.
True. Shopping online or shopping at the mall?
Definitely at the mall.
Planned out or spontaneous?
Highly planned out.
Tell me like what you're working on, what's been going on lately in your schedule.
Yeah, we just updated our posting schedules. So now I post 5 times a week, which I don't know how I'm still functioning.
I don't know
this
how.
is week 3 of that. So we're going strong with that. Nick and I are also going to be on a TV show together, and
so
that's all the
exciting.
public knows, so that's all I can say. But I'm so excited. That should be starting, I think, next week. We have fittings and stuff. So,
That's so exciting.
I'm so excited for that. Obviously, we want to do more music. I think we have a fun, different thing we're going to be working on with that. So that'll be something super funny to do.
I'm sure everyone already knows you, but like where can everyone follow you and find you?
Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all Symonne Harrison.